What's going on, everybody? It's Kelly here at your Sioux Falls West Side Radco Truck You know, it's in our name. I get that. Radco Truck Accessories. So everybody thinks that we only deal with trucks. You know, stuff like toppers, tonneau covers, and running boards. But the truth is that we carry so many different products from so many different companies that can help out other vehicles like cars and vans too. In fact, I want to show you just a few options that we have in the stores that can help you out. Window visors, seat protectors, and we can get you some new bright headlights. Whoa. WeatherTech stuff, like floor mats. Windshield wipers too. Roof racks, kayak racks, bike racks from Thule. Seat covers. So don't get me wrong, we love dealing with trucks. We love talking trucks. It's part of our passion. It's in our name. But the big thing is people don't realize we're so much more than that. It can help out so many more people. It can help out anybody with a car for lots of different options there. And not only that, but WeatherGuard does carry some pretty cool products like shelving units and storage units for those big Mercedes Sprinter box vans. We can even deal with stuff like that. So stop on down 3017 South Carolina Avenue here on the west side of Sioux Falls. Give me a phone call at 605-361-2882. And as always, we offer a minimal touch install. We offer curbside pickup, and we can ship it to your home for free. So don't think of it as just a truck accessories, guys. We're in everything accessories, folks. And don't forget, when your truck, your van, or your car looks good, you look good. Thanks, guys. See you later.